Disconnect the washer from the wall outlet. Open the controls panel. Remove the cabinet. Use a bucket to lay down the washer on it. Disconnect the pump from the motor shaft. Tie the pump to the cabinet to keep it out of the way. Disconnect the wires from the motor and start capacitor. Remove the two motor holding brackets. And remove the motor. Remove the motor mounting plate. Remove the motor coupler. Use a screwdriver to remove the bad oil seal. I use gasket shellac to make a better seal, and a large spark plug socket wrench to drive the seal in. I put a little grease on the Gearcase shaft and shellac on the outside of the oil seal. Put it in place and tap it in with a socket wrench. Install the plastic finger of the motor coupler. And the rubber piece. Mount the motor mounting plate and secure it with the two screws. Install the motor holding brackets. And install the motor. And secure it with the two screws. Connect the wires to the motor and start capacitor. Untie the pump and set it on the motor shaft. Secure it with the two holding clips. Install the cabinet. Close the controls panel. You could visit my website at the following address.